Hey guys, it's your boy Oleg17, and this time we're gonna be doing a test mode for my favorite gravitrax power element sound. One, you need a flat-headed screwdriver to remove a battery cap. Once you've done that, remove a battery. Hold down these two buttons at once. Reinsert the battery. We'll do that. Now you can test this and this. Now you can, and also the switch, the volume switch. Hold on. When you're done testing, press this 2 times.